Hello, friends. Hope all of you are doing good. Okay, coming to our today's topic, how to deal with anxiety. Okay, due to this corona virus global pandemic, everyone has suffered to some extent. Many people have lost their jobs, many people have got the salary cuts, businesses were closed for almost 4 to 5 months. So everyone has been affected financially, okay, which creates and triggers the anxiety. Okay, this is the reason I'm coming with this video. By the way, I'm Anil Wankhede. I'm a psychological counselor based in Pune, which is called Oxford of the East in the state of Maharashtra, India. I am also an author of a book titled Ultimate Secrets of Mind and Life, which is available on Amazon, Notion Press, in print version, and in the ebook format on Amazon Kindle, Google Play Books, Payhip, and many other places. You will find the link of my book in some of my videos in their description box. Okay, now coming to our today's topic, how to deal with anxiety. So let us understand how to fight this anxiety efficiently. Let us learn this in a step-by-step way. Now, first, let us understand what is anxiety. Okay, so by definition, anxiety means a feeling or emotion characterized by tension and worried thoughts and associated with some physical changes like increased blood pressure. In a short run, anxiety increases your breathing and heart rate. This situation concentrates your blood flow to your brain where it needs the most. This very physical response prepares you to the more intense situation. And if it really gets intense, you may feel lightheaded and nauseous. Okay, now let us see what are the causes of stress and anxiety. Okay, a health condition or serious illness may trigger anxiety. A serious illness or health condition make you worry about the treatment, worry about your treatment and future. So that is one reason. Then second is the stress build-up. Now, stress build-up can happen with this small stressful life situations like your work stress or a loss of a family member or death of a family member, or your ongoing and continuous financial worry about your finances may trigger the excessive anxiety. Now let us understand how to fight this anxiety efficiently and effectively. We'll go step by step. Now first and the foremost, if you are hungry or thirsty, have some food, have some adequate food, at least some snacks, drink some water and hydrate your body adequately. If you are hungry or thirsty, the further steps or techniques or procedures won't work and won't help you. So first have some food and drink some water. Now the next is most important thing. Second one is deep breathing. Close your eyes and take deep breaths. Now you will ask, what is this deep breathing? Deep breathing means inhale slowly and deeply, and also exhale slowly. I can show you once or twice. Close your eyes, relax your body. Now breathe, inhale slowly and deeply. There are different breathing techniques. We'll talk about these techniques in next video, or maybe in our blog. Now the third would be, ask yourself, whatever the thing you are worrying about, you are tense about, you are stressed about, ask yourself, is that thing or that thought is really a rational thought? Is it really going to happen with you? Has that thing happened to you earlier in the past? What are the chances of that thing is going to happen with you? Ask yourself, would that thing or that cause or whatever you are worried about, would that thing matter you after 1 month, 6 months, or 1 year? Third would be, visualize yourself, close your eyes, take some deep breaths and visualize yourself relaxed, your body relaxed, face on smile on your face. Visualize yourself smiling. You can also replay some happy moments of your life, the best moments of your life from your past, like your first day of college, your graduation day or convocation day, your first paycheck day, your first day of a job, any award ceremony, or it can be anything, any happy moment from your life, like maybe holiday moments with your family or friends. Visualize those. Now there are small things like listen to your favorite music or a good happy music, not the sad one. Read motivational and inspirational book or comedy books if you like, or magazines, or read whatever you like. Watch the motivational, inspirational or comedy or your favorite movies. Talk to people, maybe your family or friends, or if you don't have any nearby, put down your feelings, like your emotions, on your daily diary or on a white plain paper. Give them some exit. Unburden yourself with those feelings and emotions and see the difference. If you really like to work out, release this anxiety and anger with some physical activities like walking, running, jogging. If you can't go out, you can do the spot jogging. I prefer that. I myself do that. What is spot jogging? You run on the spot in your home or office only. Okay, you can do that. These physical activities releases serotonin, which calms you and makes you feel better. Spend some more time with your family, especially your kids and your older parents or your friends, and see the difference. I hope guys you like this video and you find this helpful, and I know that you will definitely fight this anxiety efficiently and effectively. So I think that this anxiety or stress is lifelong. This is not only this happens in corona or COVID situation. It's a long life thing. We might face this anxiety or stress at different stages of life. Okay, so you have to learn to fight this efficiently and effectively. So that's all for this video, guys. I think that this information will help you fight this anxiety or stress. If you really like this information and find it helpful and useful to you, please subscribe to our means your and mine channel. Like it, share it to the each and every person in your network, in your contacts. Leave your comments. If you have any suggestions for improvements, you can also do that. Okay guys, see you then. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye and keep smiling. Bye bye.